let's go over how you can represent a specific number written in base 2 or binary. 19, the way I'm going to deal with this is I'm going to say, well, I want 16. There are 16 blocks in here, right? That's formed of 16 of these units. So I have one of those. Well, to get 19, I need 3 more blocks, right? 16, 17, 19. But I can't just count 3. What instead I need to count is I need a 2 and I need a 1. That will give me the 3, 16, 17, 18, 19. So the way I would write this in binary is I would note that there's 2 spaces I didn't use, I should say 2 places that I didn't use. And so in base 2, this would be 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So let's say I was then going to add the number 1, 1, 1, 0. Well, I could do this by placing the blocks that correspond to those and a space for the 0. To add them together, we know that's just combining. That means I would just put all these together, which would mean I need to deal with the fact that there are 2 in here. So I'm going to take that out, and that gives me another 4, which means I need to take that out. It gives me another 8, which means I'm going to take that out, and that gives me another 16, which means I'm going to take that out, and that gives me my first 32. And so what that tells me is if I add these 2 numbers together, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, plus 1, 1, 1, 0, I'm going to get the number 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1.